Today we are going to construct a bisector. What is a bisector? Look at here. ABC. This is an angle ABC. That ABC angle has divided into two equal angles by BD. BD is the bisector. ABC equal to ABD and BDC. These two angles divided it into two equal angles by BD. Now we are going to construct a bisector. Before that we have to draw an angle. I think you can remember in earlier lessons we did more angles. First step is draw a straight line. We'll name it as PR. Then take the compass. This is the point P. Draw an arc. Using the compass, draw an arc. Then from here, this is, you can remember we did from here another arc. Then this is 60 degrees. We can join these two lines from here to this point to this bisector, that PQPR, that is 60 degrees. If we did another line here, that is 120 degrees. We did this in the earlier lesson. Now we are going to draw the bisector. How are we going to do the bisector? We can keep this point to draw another arc here and this join to another arc here. These two bisect each other. We can draw a line from joint P to this. This is PS. PS is the bisector of QPR. That means these two lines are equal to each other. QPS angle equals to SPR angle by this bisector PS. This is the bisector.